Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So what's the difference between different types of compression? So this is a game compressed folder. These are the game compressed folders. So the first one is general zip maximum compression. You see the size, 665 gigabytes. The second one is DNA maximum compression, almost the same, a little bit more. Like general zip, also maximum compression. The last one is 7-zip maximum compression. So drastical difference, as you see, more than 1 gigabytes. That's such a difference, but which one is better? These two are of the same type, because it's one compression. 7-zip or any other type of compression, even for general zip, when you use such compressions as bzip2, for example, or LZMA, so it will be compressed, of course, but it is the same type of compression as 7-zip. Because 7-zip already has or LZMA2, LZMA, or bzip, so it is archive in archive. So what's the difference? The difference is the following, that 7-zip you get 1 gigabyte of space. You win, of course you win, but even on the fastest SSD, on computers with 8 or 16 threads, you will not win, because it's an archive in archive. When uncompressing, it copies temporarily or in memory or in some temporary folder in application data, and then recopies to the place where you pasted the data. These two are one compression type, so when you open it you copy directly, so you win in time drastically, 2 times or more. For example, if here to uncompress this, it will take about 8 minutes. Here you can do this in 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and the same thing is here. So if, for example, you want to win and you have around 30 files to compress, so you can win, for example, about 1 gigabytes or 2 gigabytes, depending on the size of the files. So you will get additional 30 gigabytes, so you can do this. And if the frequency of using these archives is not often, so you can do this and you win in size. But when, for example, you have 5 or 6, for example, of games or some data, very important data, like say 10 gigabytes, 15, you can freely use these, especially when the frequency of using them is quite often, for example, at least 1 in 2 months. So it's worth of this to use these two, not this one 7-zip, even if you win. So such a manual you get glorifies the God.